1244 Longs Peak Avenue, doing a post scope after a couple of repairs on the sewer line. So we're 134 foot to the city sewer, and you can see the city going by there. It's our end of our repair. Now, we were told to leave this tap here by the city. Generally, we go all the way and put a new saddle on here. The city actually came out and told us not to do anything with their city sewer, and the tap looked fine, just to leave it how it is. So we did leave a foot there, just like instructed by the city. And the whole street has been replaced up to the curb with SDR 35 piping. Go back onto original there. So 109 to 132 foot has been replaced underneath the street, and now we're coming back underneath the sidewalk into the driveway. Tie in at 32 foot. A little tiny bit of tree roots. And more. More. Very small amount. There's our connection at the cast iron to clay. This line did have a crack right here at the cast iron to clay connection right there, and that's why this spot was fixed. 1244 Longs Peak Avenue. Sewer line has been repaired, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time. No recommendations for sewer at this time.